Hi everyone, it's Earthly Donnie here, and today I wanted to talk to everyone about cruelty-free makeup and vegan makeup. Let's talk about what cruelty-free is and what vegan is. Alright, let's gonna go to the next step. I'm going to apply some eyeshadow. It's by e.l.f. Traditionally I wouldn't have bought from them. However, on the back it tells you it's cruelty-free and it's vegan. So when you see that little bunny with the heart ears, that's when you know you got a good product. My makeup brushes. These are vegan brushes. This is Kala. Great brand. I haven't had any issues with it. I've owned these brushes for a minute. Probably gonna be updating them soon to a different brand because I found one at my job, work at Walmart, and I'm seeing new sustainable products hit the aisles, and I'm like, man, it's time to upgrade. So if you wanted to get some vegan brushes, Kala, and I'll have some more recommendations for you down below. Alright, so I wanted to fact check this about CoverGirl to be 100% sure, but they are cruelty-free. They became cruelty-free actually under the International's Leaping Bunny Certification Program. That logo I told you about, that leaping bunny, I guess, the happy, healthy, hearty bunny. And yeah, they don't test on any animals. So I definitely have CoverGirl because they have really awesome metallic style eyeliners, and I'm new to this. I'm also working with a disability. I don't have 2 fingers, so I'm trying to make this work as best as I can and as accommodating as I can, and I find CoverGirl to be very accommodating for my disability. So I definitely think we should be using CoverGirl. If you have my hand, it's a very awesome pencil because it's like a quick strike and you got it down. And that's pretty much it. I don't do anything else. I don't think I need anything else. It'd be a bit much for me. But I do think that this is the max I'll go with the capacity of my hand and also the capacity of the environment. Definitely think that the environment is priority to me whenever I'm doing anything in life. And as far as my makeup goes, has to be eco-friendly. This is my little process in detail. I'm always sharing these little short clips, but I think that this is very important to share to everyone in more thorough detail. So just make sure that you're trying to be as eco-friendly as possible. Thank you for watching. I would appreciate any subscriptions to my channel. I do plan to release more vlogs and utilizing this green screen more. So definitely tune in for an eco-friendly green screen adventure. I'll always keep something playing in the background. It's very fun to do, and I really appreciate you all tuning in. Thank you so much for supporting my work, and if you want to see any more of my content outside of makeup, go to earthlydonnie.com.